Okay children, now we will see how computers are being used in airports and railway stations. Computers play an important role in reservation and cancellation of tickets for passengers. At some point of the time, you must have seen your parents reserving the tickets through computer for traveling. Okay, you must be going for vacation or to your nanny house or somewhere. Whenever you want to go, they usually reserve the tickets through computer. But if they are not doing it through computer, what will they do? They will have to go to airport or railway station. They will have to stand in long queue, wait for their turn, and then they will get their tickets. But here it is so easy. You just fill a form and the computer will inform, the website will inform whether the tickets, the seats are available or not in particular train. If it is not available, you can check for another train and then you can reserve. And if you don't want to go at some point, you can cancel also easily and your money will automatically come to your account. So how easy it is that sitting at home you can do these things. But if computer were not being used, the process would have been very difficult. So computers are very useful for us in both reservation and cancellation. We can know about the arrival and departure of trains and flights with the help of computers, and this is so good because at times trains are very late and we have to plan accordingly. So in case of computers, earlier when there were no computerized system of knowing at what time the train will come, people used to go to station and they used to wait for hours and hours. Now what you do, you just open your phone and there you check for particular train, in which station it is, how far it is, at what time it will come, and if it is not coming at that time, then how much late it will be. So all this is possible because the details about your reservation etc., as well as the details about all the trains are there in the computer system. The computer helps to keep track of the location, speed and direction of trains and aeroplanes. As I told you, we can know how far the train is and how soon it will come, and same applies with aeroplanes as well. So it is very easy because the details about all the flights and trains is there in the server, in the central computer, and from there we can access the details even if we are sitting like say 500 kilometers away from that place or maybe more than that. So it is very easy to keep track of the things when it is fed into the computer. Do you know? Reservation means advance booking in trains, buses or planes and rooms in hotels. Computers are widely used for this purpose. Okay, so reservation can be of many types. That means you can do booking of your seats in trains or buses or planes and also in hotels. Okay, suppose if we want to go to a hill station during summer vacation, so what do we do at that time? It is very difficult to get rooms there. So what your parents do, they check for the availability of hotels in their budget, of the rooms, type of room what they want. If it is not available in their budget, then they will search otherwise and they will book according to their needs, so that when they go there, actually they don't have any problem in searching the room. So it is being used for this purpose also.